very small island and has limited resources, and already 1/3 of the island is dedicated to the National Marine Park.
I heard they mention fishing and how regulation and controlled fishing will result in a loss of jobs by many local fishermen. I believe this is, perhaps they missaid it, I'm not sure, but what I believe is if we do not control and regulate the fishing, like right away or within 5 or 10 years, it's true, they are right. Many of our fishermen will lose their jobs. They will lose their only livelihood. And this too helps the fishermen. Many people say it's not good because the fishermen come and they cannot fish there. However, there is such a thing as overspill. This has been documented in many scientific studies. When you have a no fishing area, the reef becomes a lot more